Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is a review of a product that was sent to me. It was a person named Wook that asked me if I wanted to try one of their products. And he sent me a list of products that I could choose from, and I chose this, and he asked me if I would do a review on it. So I will show you how it looks. It came in a package like this, and the company is called Lavievert. Organize Your Life, and this is a wallet. And it is one of those wallets that protects your credit cards from being stolen and your bank cards and all that. So I was very happy to try this. It came very nicely packaged. It came in this fabric bag, and then it came in another bag here. And it's got some more packaging in here. So it's got these papers in here and this. And it's got styrofoam in the billfolds here. So this is, I believe there was a little description of it. It is genuine leather travel bifold wallet. Sorry. So yeah, this is perfect for my husband. He travels, and you know, he's got to have all kinds of little compartments. And since this is protected, like he can feel safe using it. It's got many little compartments, as you can see. It's got a little zipper pocket here, and yeah, it is really nice. It even it smells like leather. And Lavievert is the brand, so that is there. And it's got 2 sections here for your bills, and then it's even got a little section here to put something in. So I will let my husband use this, and I will let you know how it holds up. But it looks really strong and looks really nice, and I'll put some pictures in here for him if he wants me to. He always likes to have our pictures when he travels. He likes to have the pictures in there. So yeah, or he could put his driver's license in there, or whatever works for him. And it's got lots of room for everything for him. So I think this is very nice. And this is the brown color. They also had a black one that you could choose from, but I will leave the link down in the description box, and you can look it up from there. So thank you so much, Wook, for asking me to review your product. So far, I just love it. And everybody check out Lavievert shop. It is very nice quality that I've seen so far. So check out the link, and thank you for joining me.